Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Maybank Shopee Credit Card effectively. First, you have to apply for the Maybank Shopee Credit Card. For this, you have to visit the Maybank website or apply through the Shopee app. Follow the instruction, fill in the required details and submit your application. Once approved, you will receive your credit card by mail. Then you have to activate your credit card. To activate your Maybank Shopee Credit Card, you have to use Maybank to You app. First, you have to log into the Maybank to You app, then go to cards, then activate card. Enter your card details and set up your card's pin, or you can use SMS to activate your card. Follow the activation instruction that come with the card. Then you have to open the Shopee app, go to Me at the bottom right of the app, tap on My Cards, click Add Credit or Debit Card and enter your Maybank Shopee credit card details. Then you can start shopping on Shopee. Thanks for watching. If the video helped you out, give a like and see you in the next video.